I think what FreeFlowInfo gives us is the opportunity to regularly send home work that's been chosen by the students, that students are proud of, and they actually want to share it in isolation with their parents. So it's not part of a messy exercise book which they might not want to share. It's something they actually want to say, look, mum, dad, carer, this is what I've done. It's about this. And there's been an encouragement to actually help the parent talk positively about what they're shown. And the second thing I really like is the opportunity to send home a picture, a photograph of a lesson, an activity that's been done in school that is, to the parent maybe at first view, something they wouldn't understand, but it's a great trigger for a conversation. What were you doing there? And what happened next? And what did you learn from that? So all questions which are very open for the parent to ask and will trigger that important 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute, 5-minute conversation at home that shows the child that the parent is really interested in what they're doing.